having a classic breakfast of bacon and eggs, and this probably won't be enough for me, so I'm gonna plan to have some protein hot chocolate after I finish this.
Hey everybody, we're gonna do a what I eat in a day vlog, follow me throughout the day video. Today is a lower carb day for me. I have been following some macros from Jonathan Shane. He's been helping me work through some stuff, and if you haven't seen our coaching sessions, I think there's 4 up now, so you can follow along there. He's helping me with my exercise, my nutrition, just kind of getting my body as healthy as possible. So on my exercise days, I do a little bit higher carb, around 100 grams of carbs per day. And then on my rest days, I do around 50 grams of carbs per day. And today is one of those rest days, so it'll be a little bit lower carb. So starting my day off with bacon and eggs, classic keto breakfast is great for one of my lower carb days. I'm also gonna go ahead and have my Gym Bite Daily Multi. I have talked about these a little bit recently. They're a new sponsor to the channel, and I am absolutely loving having these little bites every day. Basically what it is a daily vitamin, but coming from all real food. So instead of having to swallow pills, which I do not enjoy, you get to eat this little cookie bite. I still enjoy like having a little sweet something at the end of a meal. And I found that if I have one of these at the end of the meal, it totally satisfies that little sweet craving. And I don't, end up having some bigger dessert. Let me just show you what it looks like real quick. That's the inside texture. It really tastes like a little dessert chewy cookie treat. The flavor punch, like the little spice of the ginger, is so good. So I've looked into some diets in the past where you basically have these lists of foods, like so many different foods, and you have to eat a certain number of them every day or every week or whatever to get all of your nutrition needs met. And while I like that in concept, I've never been able to like take on the task because it seems so complicated. So what I love about the Gym Daily Multi is that they basically do the work for you. The little bites have all kinds of different real whole food in them. And because they are coming from real whole food, your body can actually recognize it. It's not like some synthetic vitamins that have been created in a lab that maybe your body doesn't know what to do with. But this nutrition is coming from real foods like stone fruit, quinoa, chickpeas, ginger, and different spices, citrus, algae, and then there's prebiotics and probiotics in there. Black pepper, turmeric, pumpkin seeds. It's just like real food that your body can understand and absorb well. And you don't have to go and try to gather all of these things and fit them into your diet. So I love that. So if you're interested in trying Gym, they are offering a 50% discount on your first month. All you have to do is use my link dailygym.com/indigo and then use the coupon code indigo at checkout. Thanks again to Gym for sponsoring the video today.
Having a cup of half decaf coffee with cream while I get some editing done and schoolwork gets done.
That would be 2 times 15 is 30, plus 2 is 32, times 12, 32 times 12.
I'm having kind of a snacky lunch, very simple snacky lunch. I'm just doing some turkey sandwich meat and some of these keto crackers that I made on a video recently. These are the dairy-free version. Whoa, there's a little hair on it. Let's get rid of that. These are the dairy-free version of the crunchy keto crackers from Low Carb Spin. I made a huge, I think quadruple batch of those, and I'm still enjoying them. They are so tasty. Package just arrived. Oh, and the goats think I have something for them. I don't have anything for you. The package is for me, not you. So I'm excited about this. This is my most recent order from Marigold Foods. So I got the peanut butter whey. I've tried the strawberry and the chocolate malt. Was there and the vanilla. And so I wanted to try the peanut butter. And then this looked really good. This is the collagen peptides, and the flavor is horchata, which is like a cinnamony. I'm really excited to taste it. It looks really good. I'm not sure what I'm going to have it in. Need to figure that out, but I need to taste that. And then also in here, let me get this open. This was packed up with a cold pack to keep it fresh. These are fat bombs. They looked really good. I was really interested in tasting them. So there's chocolate chip cookie dough. You can kind of see the ingredients there. I love that it's sweetened with allulose. I'm a big fan of allulose, and then stevia there as well. All right, so there's chocolate chip cookie dough, mint chocolate chip, Danish butter cookie, pecan crisp, and lemon coconut. So this is the sampler pack. And one thing I really love about Marigold Foods is that they offer sample packs of almost any of their products. So if you want to try a specific flavor of the whey or of the collagen, you can just get like a single serve little packet, and you don't have to buy an entire bag when you don't know for sure you're going to like it yet. So that's awesome. I also wanted to mention that I just heard from Marigold that they're having some issues with whey, getting whey. You know, whey is one of their main ingredients in their products, and then, you know, they sell the flavored wheys and such, and the supply chain is having issues, and so they're struggling. Obviously, whey is a huge thing for their company, so not having that supply chain in place is really hard. So if you need any other of their products like the collagen that don't have whey included, I highly recommend going and supporting them by ordering whatever you need there. The whey products are going to be very limited for the time being, but definitely help them out. It's a small business. Order collagen if you need it, and hopefully the supply chain issues will get fixed and all those whey products will be back. But in the meantime, if you do need collagen, definitely check out Marigold. And I do have a coupon code. I will put the link and the coupon down in the description below. I'm getting ready to take Charity to piano lessons, and I need to pack up some food with me to go. I'm going to take one of the fat bombs, and then I'm also going to mix myself up a keto chow. So I just wanted to show you what these look like. Let's see. This is the mint chocolate chip fat bomb. So that one's 11 grams of fat, 1 net carb, less than 0.5 grams of sugar. Which one do I want to take? Let's see, chocolate chip. I might do the chocolate chip. Chocolate pecan crisp, that sounds good too. All right, I'll do the chocolate pecan crisp and stick the rest of them in the fridge. Just at the store real quick while Charity is in piano lessons. I don't really need much, just a couple like fresh fruits and veggies type things. Mostly just killing time and getting some extra steps in while Charity is playing piano. I'm about to go pick up Charity, but real quick, I want to do a taste test of the chocolate pecan crisp fat bomb. So these do have cocoa butter in them, which makes it nice so that they don't melt as easily. That's what Keto Brick has in it also, so that's how it stays a little bit more shelf stable than something with coconut oil or something like that butter that can melt too easily. So it is a little bit warm in the car, and it's still nicely solid. So that is what it looks like. Got some texture to it because it has some almonds, it has some coconut. What else? It has pecans, of course. Almonds, collagen. Collagen is the second ingredient. That is so amazing. Pecans, cocoa butter, coconut, allulose, chocolate, grass-fed ghee, organic flavors, real salt, stevia, and love. All right, I'm going to give it a taste here. It's nice and big too. That's really good. The pecan has a really nice, there's really nice pecan flavor in there from that. It reminds me of a no-bake cookie. It's got the almond texture, and there's some coconut in there. It has a little bit of coconut texture, but like the rest of it reminds me of a no-bake cookie, just without the oats, with the almonds and the coconut instead of the oats. And the pecan flavor in there as well. That is very, very good. I'm excited to try the other ones
Delicious.
For dinner, I decided I'm going to do something simple and just do some low-carb chili that I had frozen a while back. I think I made this on a video. I just made a ton, and it's mostly meat with a little bit of sauce. So I'm going to get this defrosted, and then we still have a bunch of those toppings from the baked potato bar we did this weekend for a get-together, like green onions and cilantro and goodness. So I'm going to top the chili with all of that, and I think that'll make a good, easy dinner. Levi wanted some of this, so I split it with him. Gonna add some avocados, and then...
But salt.
Oh, you think salt too?
Yep.
You had some avocado. How did you eat your avocado?
With salt.
With salt. He loves salt.
I kind of more.
Oh, more salt?
More avocado with salt on it.
That sounds good. I have a little bit left you can have.
Ooh, a little bit.
Those are green onions. Want some green onions with salt?
No. I
Here.
tasted green onions before.
You can eat the rest of that.
Good.
Cilantro and red onion. And then last thing over here is some olives.
The best part.
Hey. And then
About an ounce. That was too big of a bite.